Cailge go Bunchúrsa Gaeilge. Welcome to Introductory Irish. Ceacht the tree, lesson 3, and tam, the time, August and I'm sure, the weather. So before we learn to tell the time, we're going to have a look at the numbers. Now we touched on the numbers in Ceacht the Hain when we were talking about people. Numbers in Irish can be a wee bit tricky. They change, some of them change quite a bit, and it depends on if you're talking about people, if you're counting things, talking about the quantity of something, or if you're just doing basic counting, they'll be different again. So we have to spend a bit of time on the numbers, just getting them right. So for the time, we obviously need to know 1 to 12, and then sort of 5, 10, 20, 25, quarter and half. So we'll do those today. So, Ken tam what time is it? Ken tam what time is it? So on your slide, you'll see your numbers laid out, 1 to 12, and then 20 and 25. So, a hen, 1, a hen, a daw, 2, a daw, a tree, 3, a tree, a ceathair, 4, a ceathair, a cuig, 5, a cuig, a sé, 6, a sé, a seacht, 7, a seacht, a hocht, 8, a hocht, a ní, 9, a ní, a j, 10, a j, a héanjeg, 11, a héanjeg, a dájeg, 12, a dájeg. You'll notice there's the H specialty, put in the jeg of dájeg, 12, and that changes the sound of it. So a hen jeg, but a dájeg. 20 then is fiche, fiche, and 25 is fiche a cuig. Fiche is a cuig. 25, fiche is cuig. So Ken tell me, what time is it? So for 1 o'clock, we would say, tá sé a haon clog. Tá sé, we've met that in our verb to be. It means he is, but it also can mean it is. So it is, in this case, 1 o'clock. Tá sé a haon clog. Tá sé a haon clog. For 3 o'clock, tá sé 3 o'clock. Tá sé a 3 o'clock. And for 5 o'clock, tá sé a 5 o'clock. Tá sé 5 o'clock. So you'll only use a clog at the end of your sentence whenever it's actually on the R. Just as in English, you'll say it's 1 o'clock, but if it's 1:30, you're not going to say it's 1:30 o'clock. So in Irish, it's the same. If it's on the R, your sentence will end with a clog, but if it's anything else, it won't. So further down your slide, you'll see the different times. 2:05 then. Tá sé cuig inné a dó. So inné for past. Tá sé cuig inné a dó. It's 2:05. Tá sé cuig inné a dó. For 4:10, tá sé je inné a ceathair. Tá sé je inné a ceathair. It's 4:10. 6:20 then. Tá sé fiche inné a sé. Tá sé fiche inné a sé. It's 6:20. For quarter then, ceathrú, ceathrú. You can see it in your sentence here. 8:15. Tá sé ceathrú inné a hocht. Tá sé ceathrú inné a hocht. To say 1/2 then, half is leach. Leach, half, leach. 7:30 then, 7:30 will be tá sé leach inné a seart. Tá sé leach inné a seart. 7:30. So, 1 o'clock, tá sé 1 o'clock, 3 o'clock, tá sé 3 o'clock, 5 o'clock, tá sé 5 o'clock, tá sé 5 o'clock. Whenever the minutes are to the hour, 5 to, 10 to, 22, things like that, we'll say godji, godji, 2, godji. So 10 to 3 there is going to be tá sé J, godji, a 3. Tá sé J, godji, a 3. It's 10 to 3. Tá sé J, godji, a 3. 20 to 5, tá sé fiche, godji, a 5. Tá sé fiche, godji, a 5. It's 20 to 5. 5 to 7, tá sé 5, godji, a seart. Tá sé 5, godji, a seart. It's 5 to 7. Tá sé 5, godji, a seart. 8:45 then, tá sé ceathrú, godji, a 9. Tá sé ceathrú, godji, a 9. It's 8:45, tá sé ceathrú, godji, a 9. And it's 25 to 8 will be tá sé fiche a 5, godji, a seart. Tá sé fiche a 5, godji, a seart. It's 25 to 8, tá sé fiche a 5, godji, a seart. So, to run back over the new words we've learnt, as well as the numbers from slide 1, ceathrú is a quarter, leach is half, godji for 2 the hour, when the minutes are coming up to the hour, and inné for past, when the minutes have gone just past the hour. Inné. Okay. Sin and tam, that was the time. And tam. Now the weather, and I'm sure, and I'm sure. And I'm sure the weather. So go J, Marata, and I'm sure inniu. We learnt inniu in Ceach the Hain today. Inniu, inye, amwara. So go J, Marata, and I'm sure inniu. How's the weather today? Kj, Marata, and Amshire inniu. Le bre at on. It's a fine day. It's a good day. Le bre at on. Le bre at on. It's a grand day. Tá sé che agus chirim. It's warm and dry. Tá sé che agus chirim. So we know tá sé from doing our verb to be. It is or he is. We know agus and tá sé che agus chirim. It's warm, che. Agus chirim is dry. Tá sé che agus chirim. If you want to say it's very warm, tá sé ionta che. Tá sé ionta che. Ionta is very, and it can be used, not just with weather. Ionta, very. Tá sé ionta che. It's very warm. Le graine atá on. It's a sunny day. Le graine atá on. Le graine atá on. It's a sunny day. Tá an rain ag solsú. The sun is shining. An rain is the sun. Tá an rain ag solsú. The sun is shining. Ag solsú. Shining. Tá an rain ag solsú. So, for bad weather, go dé mar atá and I'm sure you. What's the weather like today? Drochla atá an. Drochla atá an. It's a bad day, it's a terrible day. Drochla atá an. It's cold and wet will be tá sé fua agus floch. Tá sé fua, cold, fua, agus floch, wet, floch. Tá sé fua agus floch. Tá sé fua agus floch. It's very cold, then will be tá sé inta fua. Tá sé inta fua. Tá sé inta fua, it's very cold. Tá sé cur farhanne, it's raining. Tá sé I cur farhanne, it's raining. Tá sé cur farhanne. Tá sé cur farhanne. It is windy, then will be tá sé goifer. Tá sé goifer. It's windy, tá sé goifer. Tá sé scamalach for cloudy. Scamal is a cloud, so scamalach, cloudy. Tá sé scamalach in you. It's cloudy today. Tá sé scamalach. Le gruama atá an, when it's just a rotten day. Overcast, dull. Le gruama atá an. Le gruama atá an. So sin ceacht a trí, an time, the time, agus an amsir in the weather. Chiefy me sibh ag an céad ceacht eile. Má sibh.